Hello, and welcome to another edition of my eBay unboxings for my latest purchases. I've got quite a few here, actually, little ones, all random stuff today, not really any theme at all. So let's get started. I think this one is actually something my wife's bought. At first I thought it was a printer. Yes. My goodness, it's massive. It's a giant Kevin the Carrot. And a book. This is not for me, it's for my son. He's a massive Kevin the Carrot fan. If you're in the UK, you'll know what this is straight away. This is running part of a load of commercials. It's a character from the commercials for the Audi stores. This is one of the characters from it who gets himself into all sorts of mischief. That is a giant one. So we'll sit him over there. Stay still. So that's that. Right, now some stuff for me. Let's see what we've got in here. Bought quite a few little bits lately, so I can't actually remember what's supposed to be in here. Oh, it's a little tape recorder. Oh, it's smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's one of those little Philips dictaphones. Looks like it takes a 9-volt battery. Philips had their own tape system, of course, which it wasn't compatible with everybody else's, the Japanese versions. The Japanese tape ones, like for Sony and Sanyo and Olympus and Canon and everybody else, the cassettes were slightly smaller. Nice little device though. Had one when I was a teenager and a little group of cassettes for it. Oh, that's nice. It'll be interesting to see what's on them actually. Always been interested in tape recorders. This one I already started to open. I think it's just some, yes, it's some memory modules, SODIMM, 30-pin ones. For the older computers. I buy these now and again because it's always handy to have them as spares. They've certainly wrapped them well. There we go. That's 72-pin. Sit in there. So those. Right, what have we got in here? Oh, disk drive is written on there, what that is. Commodore Amiga disk drive. I think this was sold as untested, so it probably doesn't work. It's like an unbranded one. It's always handy to have a spare one though. I think that one's a little video camera. Technic Man has decided to fall over. Yes, it's the video camera. Never had this model before. This was one of the last generation of separate video camera recorders where you would have a separate VCR. Nice little device that. Again, that was sold as untested. It's got a peculiar connection there which I don't have, so I won't be able to test this straight away. Such an unusual shape. So this is a tube camera, it's not CCD like the camcorders were. So it has a pickup tube and it's literally done the shape of the camera like a tube. Oh, that is a tiny CRT screen. That is really small, about 15mm across. Wow. I think I've got one that small. I usually, when I get old broken camcorders, I take the CRT screens out and I plan on using them for a little project. But that's the smallest one I have so far. They're usually about, or double that size actually. Yes. Now the last one. I think this is a little tape recorder from the 1960s, like a dictation machine. I think it uses the same tapes as that. Wrapped it well. Oh, that's nice. Top's come off a bit there. Yeah, lovely little device that, so heavy. It's belt driven and I can see in the back there that the belt has perished. It shouldn't be too hard to find another one though, you can get them off of eBay, so that won't be working straight away. Have to change that plug because it's damaged. It feels so solid. Pretty sure these are the tapes for it, unless there's another format out there. No, it fits. Wow. So hopefully I'll be able to play those back when I get that belt sorted. Yes. And that's it this time. That's my recent eBay purchases and my wife's. I'll probably do a video separately on this, two tape recorders. We'll get the belt repaired and we'll play the tapes back and see what's on them. Well, I guess that's about it for now, until I get some more things that I bought off of eBay. If you did like the video, please consider liking it and subscribing, and I'll be seeing you.